I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You want speed and texture, so start now. Pour 500 ml water into a medium pot and set it on high heat. Once the water hits a rolling boil, break the Maggi noodle cake once and drop it in. That break helps even cooking and faster heat penetration. While the noodles soften for 60–90 seconds, open but do not empty the seasoning. You'll add it in stages. Make sure the flame stays high enough to keep a steady boil for the initial cook. Once the noodles begin to separate, add half the seasoning to build base flavor and stir briskly to dissolve it. This prevents clumps and gives an even savory backbone. Reduce heat to medium and add quick-cook ingredients like chopped spring onion, frozen peas, or pre-cooked egg. They finish in the noodles' residual heat. Stir every 20–30 seconds so the noodles don't stick, and check texture at around 2 minutes. You want al dente, not mushy, so time your final simmer accordingly. You finish by turning off the heat when the noodles reach your preferred texture and letting the pot sit 30–45 seconds. That resting time lets the sauce thicken and flavors meld. Make sure to taste, then adjust with a squeeze of lime, a drizzle of sesame oil, or chopped herbs for brightness. Transfer to a bowl and serve hot. If the result is too watery, return to low heat and simmer 30–60 seconds. If it's overcooked, add a splash of hot water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.